We were delighted to find that, in fact, bullying prevention efforts in schools can work.
Bullying is not a new problem, but a professor at Clemson University believes there is new hope that it can be prevented. That professor is part of a study that shows one particular program could reduce bullying in school systems.
This is really interesting. The program is already being offered in parts of the upstate. 7 News reporter Kirsten Glaven's been looking into it. She's here live at 7 on Main in downtown Greenville with what she found out. Kirsten.
Yeah, for a lot of people, putting an end to bullying may seem impossible, but this 2-year study shows that it can be prevented.
And they're going into 5th grade, so...
Bullying is a reality for Amanda, who has 2 children heading into middle school. She remembers one phone call from the school nurse letting her know her son had been hurt.
He grabbed his lip and bashed his head into the wall 5 times. My son's face was swollen. He had a knot on his head. But I had been called by the nurse, of course, and told the incident happened.
Amanda says it was repeated abuse by kids at an upstate school that forced her to pull her children out and send them somewhere else.
And I try to coach them to stand up for themselves. I went to the principal.
It's cases like this that Clemson psychology professor Sue Limber hopes can be prevented. Limber led a new study that shows one anti-bullying program has helped reduce the problem in K through 12th grade.
It's really implementing a variety of research-based strategies that we know work.
It's called the Oveus Bullying Prevention Program. The study she worked on was done with 70,000 students in Pennsylvania over a 2-year time span. And Limber says results showed the program had worked.
Students reported that their teachers were more responsive to bullying. They felt more empathy for bullied students, and also said they were less likely to join in bullying.
The program is already being implemented in several county school districts in the upstate, including Greenville, Spartanburg, Anderson, Oconee, and Pickens. Parents like Amanda hoping this could spare children like her own.
That's wonderful. Gives me hope.
And some of the tactics that were used in this program were things like having classroom meetings with students to talk about bullying and educating all school employees, not just teachers, about what they can do if they see it happening.
Well, you know, we hear